Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A4 S Line 35 TDI. It comes dressed in the stunning and eye-catching Daytona grey colour, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 47,806 miles. Rolling on 19-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with a centre armrest for those longer journeys and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As we take a look around you can see there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select, to choose your preferred driving mode such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive, or Comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the 3-zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay powered up with the 12-volt and USB charging point, with 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees, hidden compartment to keep those pesky phone wires, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. This approved used Audi A4 S Line is now available and on site. For more information please contact our sales team. Thank you.